Hey Olivia, how's it going today? We're missing you at school. Thanks for doing all your hard work at home. Today's hat day at school, so if you want to put your hat on at home and send me a screenshot of that and Seesaw, that'd be fun. All right, we're going to go ahead and do our Sunday this morning. All right, let's read our sounds. Here we go. A, E, sh. A, O, I, E, Y, U. Let's put a D in there. Aid, Ode, I'd, Eed. You'd, I'd, you'd. Sorry about that. Okay, R, A, I, ch. Keep going. K, E, J, O, A, I, E, all, ear, ah. Okay, and then yesterday we learned all of these ending sounds that have they have a consonant, vowel, and they all have that LE at the end, the li, like o. Okay, and then we just changed the first consonant, so bull, coal, dole, full, goal, coal, hole, toll, zol. Like, this one would be like table, okay, muscle, riddle, and then we've got, over here we would have puzzle, people, Google, okay? All right, or, oi, o, oi, a, ow, ch, or I, yeah. All right, keep going. Good job. All right, and now we're going to spell some sounds. So what you can do here is either if you have a whiteboard with a dry erase marker, or you can just get out a notebook with a pencil or pen or marker, preferably probably the marker, and go ahead, let me just move this real quick, and go ahead and write down the sounds that you're hearing, and then you can always send me a screenshot of that. Okay? All right, so the first sound that we're going to write is li. It's at the end of the word. We've been working on that. Say it with me. Li. Okay, like quickly, happily. All right, and that would be L-Y. Also, as we're going through, if I'm going too quickly, you can go ahead and pause the video and restart. The next one, we want to write bowl. That's like that ending, that suffix at the back of the word that we were just looking at on those other slides. So that is B-L-E. Again, if you did not write it correctly, you want to cross it off and rewrite it twice. The next one is goal. Say it with me. Goal. So G-L-E. The next one is fold. This is again at the back of the word. So you're looking at the back of the word. So we've got F-L-E. Okay. Next, we've got pole. Like people. All right. Here we go. P-L-E. Very good. All right, I'd like you to write the suffix. So that's going to be something that's at the end of the word, and it's a long E. So it says E, but it's not an E. It's a different letter. What is it? What'd you say? Yeah, that's right. It's a Y. Okay. Like if I said happy, it sounds like I'm saying E at the end of the word, but it's actually a Y. Okay, so then I want you to write down two prefixes that mean not. So two prefixes, now that's at the front of the word, that actually mean not. See if you can come up with at least one. So two of them would be in and un. Those both mean not. And then one more prefix that we want to write down is one that means down or away. So what means down or away? That is the prefix, so at the beginning of the word, D. Very good. All right, we're ready to read our words. I'm just going to point and let you go ahead and read these, or I might jump in and say a few of them. We've got sample, mumble, mantle, jingle, temple, dwindle, ramble, candle, crumple, gentle, marble, grumble, ankle, sparkle, tremble, simple, sprinkle, angle. I'm going to skip a few of these. So we've got weekly, crusty, handy, smelly, richly, gloomy. So there we've got those LYs, the lee, and then the crust E. So just a Y, it makes that E sound. Rusty, rusted, joiner, boxes, army, called. Porches, stuffy, jumped, strongly, strictly, unjustly. All right, let's read some sentences. The rumble of thunder made me jump. The small boy stuck a marble in his nose. And we're ready to spell some words. Here we go, friends. So the first word we're going to spell is sample. Say it with me, sample. And let's break down that and blend it together. Pull. Okay, so if you need to pause it to write it down. And there we go. Next word we're going to write down is smelly. Smell-y. So it's got that suffix at the end of the word that makes the E sound. So give it a try. Pause this. And I'm going to write it down. Smell-y. Okay, then we've got a sight word. The word is bush. Say it with me. Bush. It's got that sh at the end of it. Bush. Okay, the next word we're going to write is sadly. Say it with me. Sadly. Let's blend that. Sadly. Sadly. Okay, and then we've got mingle. Say it with me. Mingle. Let's blend it. Mingle. All right, and then we're ready to do our sentence today. So you're going to want to write your caps on your paper. And let me just get rid of some of this. All right. So the sentence is, don't fumble the ball. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and give yourself a minute to write that down. You've got 4 words. And I'm going to write it up here. Don't, so my capital D, fumble the ball. And we need a punctuation, a period. Very good. All right, and here's our new material today. We're going to talk about what syllable types we have and making a division pattern. So today you've got the consonant with the LE at the end that we talked about yesterday. And so the pattern is the CLE. When a consonant is followed by the LE, break the syllable before the CLE. Okay, so let's look at some examples of that syllable division. Gargle. So you've got the LE and then another consonant. We're going to break it before that consonant LE at the end of the word. So gargle, table, so table, cat, say it with me, bugle, sample. So I want you to go ahead and break that word and show me where you would break it. So write that word down, put that syllable break in there, and then tell me what kind of syllables we have on each side. So at the beginning, if we break it between the M and the P, we've got a consonant here at the end of this first syllable, so that's a closed syllable. And then at the end over here, we've got this E at the end, so that's probably a CLE. So now we're going to have that type of syllable. So you've got closed and then a CLE syllable on this end. Now we've got maple. Go ahead and write that one down and break it and write down what kind of syllables do we have there. If I break it between the A and the P, I've got a vowel on this syllable, which makes this an open, and then you've got the CLE at the end, just like that. Okay, one more, snuggle. So I'm going to break it between the two G's here, snuggle, and we've got a G on this side, so that's a closed, and then you've got the CLE over here. Okay, then you've got needle. Go ahead and do that one on your own. You can pause it, write it down. Okay, check it. That one had the VP because the vowel pair, the two E's. You've got settle with a closed and a CLE. Cradle, which was open with the CLE. Drizzle, which is a closed with a CLE. And then marble. And that one has the AR, so that's the R syllable, because it says mar. And then you've got the CLE. All right. Great job today, friends, and we'll see you.